Righto, another update on the onion. Been blocking back the guide coat. It's coming up not too bad, you know, we've got a few little, I don't know why my fluoros make my camera go crazy. You know, it's good the guide coat's showing us bits here that we know we're going to have to fill. But today I've got nearly this whole side done, and the whole roof. I've done the whole roof. Got another little kink here we'll fill. Oh, that's the wall. This is where we're going to have to do a majority of the repairs. The epoxy's blocking back quite nice. Once we get the high build 2K primer on, I reckon this is going to come up pretty damn straight. Yeah.